Hey guys, Chris over at Ace Vacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. Today I want to talk to you guys about a few questions that we get a lot of calls about, especially over the past month. So we just became a Bissell service center, meaning that if you guys have vacuums as far as Bissell shampooers, the steam vacs, the cross waves, vacuums like the uprights, all that type of stuff, if it's under warranty, you can even if it's not under warranty, you can bring any Dyson vacuum that you have to us to have repaired, service, clean, and all that type of stuff. But if you have a Dyson or a Bissell that you got, let's say 6 months ago, and it's let's say the cross waves, we've gotten quite a few of those in for bad water pumps, bad motors, things like that. If it's not working or picking up or anything like that, you can call Bissell directly and confirm that you have the warranty. Bring it to us too. They'll probably redirect you anyway if you're in the Northern Virginia area, either to our Fairfax or Leesburg location. We will diagnose it. We will submit the claim to them. We will get your part covered, and then we do the repair work for your Bissell vacuum cleaner, steam mop, shampoo, or whatever it is. So if you guys have any questions, give us a call here at 703-997-9292. You can check us out online. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and follow our YouTube channel. We appreciate you guys supporting local and shopping with us. For all your Bissell needs, please come see us at Ace Vacuums, either at Fairfax or in Leesburg, Virginia. I hope you guys have a safe and great week and weekend. And thank you guys. Appreciate it. Have a great